Built in the late 1930s and named in memory of Fernando Wood Martin, the first scientist on the college's faculty, the 38,000 square foot Martin Science Building provides a historic setting for Randolph students and faculty.
I think the sciences are important because I think our world is starting to head into a place where people are starting to realize that technology can take us into different areas, and the sciences can help us do that.
Martin is a pivotal part of this college community because so many of us rely on the services and the community and the bonding that Martin has.
I walk down the hill to Martin and I say, this is home. This is the place where I'm going to be my entire career here at Randolph. This is the place where I know the faculty, I know the friends, and I know all the people who come with it.
When Randolph College was founded as Randolph-Macon Women's College in 1891, education in the sciences was rare for women, yet the college made it a priority by offering a variety of courses, laboratories, and collections, and encouraging women to expand their knowledge and skills. Today, the sciences are still some of the most popular majors at the college. In fact, since 2008, Randolph College has experienced a resurgence of interest in STEM education with a 112% increase in math and science enrollment. In response to a national need for more science, technology, engineering, and mathematics graduates, Randolph College is committed to increasing the number of future scientists. A renovated Martin Science Building will play a critical role in this endeavor.
Randolph College has ongoing research and education in a variety of sciences. Our vision for the renovation will further support this work and match the vitality we see for the future of Randolph College. We are committed to creating an exceptional facility that inspires all of us.
Randolph College has always been a school that has a very high number comparatively to other peers of students who go on to graduate school, in particular in the sciences.
I think Martin, it's a great building, but I feel like some of the equipment's kind of outdated. Maybe a computer lab and maybe the new advanced tools so that research opportunities that are happening on campus can actually do much better and be more effective in their job.
In the sciences, it's so important to get hands-on experiences. It's so important to get collaborative experiences. And the spaces that we're making and the equipment that we'll have is just going to allow students to more actively participate in their education and more actively participate in research and lab experiences, those kinds of things that our students have to have by the time they graduate.
The kind of work, the interactions that we do with our students here and the kind of work that we do here is really personal. The students get a chance to try things, to make mistakes, to get it right because there's small numbers of students, so you're not fighting for equipment. And so I think it's great if people can help us and support us with that because I think what we're doing is really, really valuable.
The renovated space will provide students with an exceptional learning environment that highlights the college's integration of teaching and research. Our students learn, discover, and innovate. They are the next generation of scientists, researchers, medical professionals, and educators. The environment we provide ensures faculty can flourish in their field, take risks with their research, and collaborate with their peers. We are committed to attracting, retaining, and educating tomorrow's leaders.
In 2018, college leadership and the Office of Institutional Advancement began in earnest to plan for a campaign to renovate the Martin Science Building. Even though the pandemic interrupted our efforts and our plans to publicly launch our Science Matters campaign in the spring of 2020 were disrupted, we continued telling the rich story of the college's history and providing a stellar education in the liberal arts and sciences, and the need to have a science building that reflects that history and matches the high academic caliber of our science education.
We are grateful to those who invest in Randolph College and thankful to those who believe in us to be insightful stewards of their gifts. I am encouraged by the dedication and commitment I see every day from our donors. I am confident this project will meet the needs of a 21st century student and promote the growth of Randolph College. As we prepare our future scientists for the ever-changing world, this renovation lays the groundwork for our important work ahead.